Hi, I'm Sana Jagannath. I am a Zumba education specialist and I train instructors in Karnataka, and I also do regular Zumba classes in Bangalore. So I have a slight shoulder pain on the left shoulder, so I just wanted to get it checked. And it comes and goes at certain movements that I do, so I just wanted to get it checked. And I trust the people here. I've known them for quite a while, so I just came by. Very good. I feel so relaxed, and I don't know, like I was not knowing so many things. It's so tight in my body, and then as and when you guys kind of checked it, I'm actually feeling a little better now. Thank you so much.
Great job, great job. Well, come back soon.
Yes.